Seek the smart, enlightened, educated kid, the best source to gain knowledge. Today let's talk about the state of the day. The state of the day is Haryana. The red state that you can see there on the map of India is Haryana. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. The capital of Haryana is shared with Punjab. The official language of Haryana is Hindi. Haryana is a North Indian state surrounding New Delhi on three sides. The Yamuna River runs along its eastern border with Uttar Pradesh. The only river that flows through this state is Ghaggar. The Bhiwani district is largest by area and Faridabad district is largest by population. Haryana is the only state in India to have 100% rural electrification. Several historic battles were fought on this land, including the Mahabharata at the Kurukshetra and the three battles of Panipat. Haryana has the poorest sex ratio amongst all the Indian states. Now let's discuss the economic status in Haryana. Haryana is the largest exporter of basmati rice. Haryana is India's largest manufacturer of motorcycles, cars, bicycles, refrigerators, scientific instruments and tractors. India's largest real estate company, DLF, is located in Gurgaon, Haryana. Rice, wheat, maize, bajra, cotton, sugarcane, barley, potato are the main agricultural products of Haryana. BharatNet is the provider of the national optical fiber network set up by the Government of India in Haryana. Gurugram, that shares its border with Delhi, is in Haryana and is among India's top 3 hubs and IT export income earner. Now let's come to the important places in Haryana. What you can see there is the Suraj Kund Crafts Mela that is held every year from the 1st to the 15th of February and is internationally famous. And this is the Brahma Sarovar, which is a famous Hindu religious place in Haryana. This picture is of the Zakir Hussain Rose Garden in Chandigarh, which features 1600 species of roses. Another interesting place in Chandigarh is the Rock Garden that showcases sculptures made with recycled materials. Now let's talk about some famous people from Haryana. Some famous people from Haryana are cricketers Kapil Dev, Virendra Sehwag, Ashish Nehra, boxer Vijendra Singh and badminton player Sania Nehwal, politicians Sushma Swaraj and Arvind Kejriwal, and Bollywood actors like Om Puri, Pariniti Chopra, Rajkumar Rao, Randeep Hooda, Sunil Dutt, Satish Kaushik and Malika Sherawat. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like the video. Seek GK is the general knowledge division of FK Life. Learning is fun and easy. To keep yourself updated and increase your general knowledge, click to subscribe to my YouTube channel FK Life GK and like my Facebook page FK Life for interesting updates. Be prepared to be ahead of the future. All the best.